In this video, we will demonstrate how the anonymization tool works in the DATAMITE framework. The anonymization tool is based on NLP techniques and can automatically identify sensitive data. Additionally, a data administrator can enhance this process by creating custom lists of sensitive fields based on the organization's needs. To do this, we define a list by providing a name, selecting a domain, and specifying the fields that should be considered sensitive during the anonymization process. Once this information is completed, we click Create. Next, we access the data product we have created. We select it, navigate to the Anonymizations tab, and click on Add Anonymization. In the next step, we select the artifact we want to anonymize and click Next. The tool then automatically identifies sensitive fields based on its NLP capabilities and any custom lists that may have been applied. We then choose the columns we want to anonymize from the suggested fields. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will select Customer ID and Started Contract columns. In the following step, the user can optionally select a privacy model. In this example, we will skip this step, as it is not mandatory. Next, we select an anonymization technique for each column. For the Customer ID column, we choose Pseudonymization Format Preserving Custom, and for the Started Contract column, we select Tokenization Custom. Then, we click Update. Finally, we can access the newly created anonymized artifact through the Anonymizations tab.